Another sunrise, another sunset. Soon it'll all be yesterday. Another good day, another bad day. What did you do today? Why do we choose to chase what we lose? What you want isn't what you have. What you have may not be yours to keep. If I could find love, I'd stop in a park with open arms. I would say all my love in a jar made of sparks. Still it might be too hard. Could it be yours to keep? The jar of love. Another life turn, another head turn. Could he be someone I deserve? Another right turn, another lesson learned. Never leave an open flame to burn. Why do we choose to chase what we lose? What you want isn't what you have. What you have may not be yours to keep. If I could find love, I'd stop in a park with open arms. I would save all my love in a jar made of sparks. Still it might be too hard. Could it be yours to keep? The jar of love. Could you be my love? 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 Could you be her love? Could you be his love? Could you be my love? Could I be your love? If I could find love, I'd stop in a park with open arms. I would save all my love in a jar made of sparks. Still it might be too hard. Could it be yours to keep? If I could find love, I'd stop in a park with open arms. I would save all my love in a jar made of sparks. Still it might be too hard. Could it be yours to keep? If I could find love, I'd stop in a park with open arms. I would save all my love in a jar made of sparks. Still it might be too hard. Could it be yours to keep? The jar of love. Could it be yours to keep? The jar of love. Could it be yours to keep? The jar of love. Another sunrise, another sunset. Soon it'll all be yesterday. Another good day, another bad day. What did you do today?
I hope the stars, they light up the And when the light goes, I would hold you so close, round and round like a